A very good evening, everyone. Welcoming you all once again to Sunrisers Hyderabad Inter Squad practice match simulation live from Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, Hyderabad. And we're all set for one more good day. We had some wonderful practice session a couple of days ago. Well, that's a good strategy, good way to apply it on the front itself, the first itself. That's a great shot from the bat of Abhishek Sharma. Goes on here, Abhishek Sharma. This time once again, very well bowled, goes up in the air, fielder there, takes a comfortable catch. Takes a very soon as the ball came. It wasn't in the right track for Abhishek Sharma to hit it. Atharva Taide, the new batter coming down to the middle to bat. This season is going to be the stadium filled with the fans. Take outside edge and the ball travels all the way from due factors. Not much. Bit of due factors that would help the batters. This is a good shot. Inside out shot from Ishan Kishan. Beautiful hands. Oh, good shot that is. Pulled away for the biggie. Long way that is. Over the head of the fielder. He's a left-hander or the right-handed batter. Flicked it beautifully, but this time Atharva Taide is under a big trouble as he has to go back. Very well bowled by Ishan Malinga. SRHA. On the pads. Big shout here from Ishan Malinga. Down the leg side region. So coming from round the stumps, keeping the ball in the middle stump line. Absolutely fantastic to go through. Short of length delivery. Pulled away. Going a long way. And that's... Yes. Abhishek Sharma has come into attack. And welcomes the left. Good shot. Very well played. And all the way for 4 more runs. Gets in this track as well. One more time. That they have got. And also they know how to get up to a good mark. It's just a matter of 1 or 2 overs. Goes against Abhishek Sharma. Costly to start. Quick one from Abhishek Sharma. And Abhishek Sharma still with a smile going to attack. And there's no one, I guess. Ball, is it going to travel? There's a fielder. Goes in a very big stage. Very brilliant mark. Big shot. That is over the heads. Shot of length delivery and welcomes Ishan Malinga with this biggie. Coming to Mendes this time. Connects a very biggie. And that's in the second tire. The top tire, I could say. All the way. That is lovely and fantastic. What a great shot that has been hit. What a lovely shot. Look how... Beautiful. Sounded really good. As I said, sounded really good. And that's... Very easily. Very well bowled. Very well played. Runs about to go. That's wicket. Ishan Kishan goes back. A good shot here. Over the point this time. The stumps to Sachin Baby. Now it's coming to Mendes. Comes from round the stumps to attack. Low full toss. That has been reversed. Challenge all the batters to whomever he bowls. Down the leg will be extra runs leaking off. Wide and boundary. Jaydev Unadkat, what is he going to bowl now? Short of length delivery, and this is the trap which Jaydev Unadkat loves to set up for the batters. Wants to play the big shot. Sachin Baby to support Team Sunrisers Hyderabad with the stadium with your big loud shots. So top right now. The bowlers are in a good position as well. The bowlers getting good grip. Fielder there. I was talking about the bowlers getting a good grip. This is absolutely going good enough now. Just short of length delivery. And coming to Mendes. This is why you should not drop catch. And he's going to do the same. He did for he did against Abhinav Manohar. Now he's doing against coming to Mendes as well. There's Jaydev Unadkat. Goes over his head. Jaydev Unadkat is a good opening batter. And as well as a good bowler. Gone high up and will be taken. Abhinav Manohar goes over. Well, that has got taken. Free delivery. What he's going to do? He's going to free his arms. That's once again a biggie. Another one good. He's in a good touch. He's in absolute great touch. This is fantabulously going on for the side of SRHA and Commando Mendes. What a lovely striking. What been big rulers have been present who have come from Hyderabad. Rahul Char comes here to attack. And beautifully played. And that's one more great shot where the ball has gone. This has gone a lovely way, big way mark. All the way for 6. Aniket Verma now joins party along with Commander Mendes. Wanted to sweep the ball. But even the sweep is so big. Has got the elevation and has connects it. One more biggie. This time the fielder is there in the long off region and will be taken as Commander Mendes. Mendes comes to an end. Last ball of the 18th over here. Right to attack. That's gone high enough. Fielder coming under it. Jaydev Unadkat takes a good catch. And Aniket Verma goes soon. Goes for the low numbers here. And the ball is going to be vanished in the dark skies. Full toss. Hit it hard. Right in the gap. Shots to be proven. And that's a good one. That's a great one. Is that a wicket? Harshal Patel is walking back by himself. This is what brilliant. This is what new batter Abhinav Manohar has come once again. Shorter lane delivery. Target going to be set for the side of Team SRHB. Flicks it off so good. That's in the gap. Long way chased by the fielder, but 5 more deliveries. Goes for this biggie. That's a long way. Yes, it is. That's huge from Abhinav Manohar. He knows that it is one more big to travel, I guess. Yes, it is. Fielder Jaydev would not. After this good 2 hits. Short of line delivery. Slower one from Yashan Malinga. But still, once again, that's hat-trick of 6s. Conceded 3 wickets for his name. A good one. And this one has gone high up. Fielder, no one there. And it will be landed safely. Comes to running between the wickets. He's very much soon. And that is the great numbers has come from the batting lineup of. And welcoming you all once again to Sunrisers Hyderabad inter-squad practice game match simulation live from Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium. And we are beginning. So what is about to do? And that is about to be done here. Abhishek Sharma. Man. Left arm medium pace. Good shot here. Thick outside edge. Ball. Total power. He's a very great timer of the ball. And firstly, he tried to go on. Challenge for them to chase down this target. And this is what I was talking about. Ishan Kishan. You can't keep him for keeping drastically going right through the mark now. Inside edge. Wants to come down once again. And played into the covers region. Punch it to the cover of this over. Already 30 on board. Oh, this is what I was talking about in earlier times. The straight hand shot. This is brilliant. Harshal Patel. Signaling. That's a good one. Again, almost a Trident Yorker lane delivery. No doubt in that. Yet another good one. And this is the trademark shot from the bat. Oh. He's ready to attack at any point of time. Whenever it is required, he's ready to attack at all the stadium. Now it looks good. And that's a great shot from Abhishek Sharma. Whether it won't. Started this over brilliantly with a single and then goes for this one. Abhishek Sharma decided that he. One more good shot and in the same region. But this time it's even better. It's the power play left over. Oh, good delivery. Extra effort and very well played. Henrich Klassen. And great knock. This is brilliant. Will be taken. Play out there and respect the on-field umpires as well. They are so good. They are very much down to earth persons. Both of them, Ishan Kishan and they are still yet to come out to perform for the side of Sunrisers Hyderabad. Big shot again. Flicks it off so beautifully. Good one again. This time, but it has gone high enough. Fielder coming under it. Will be taken. Good comeback from Vikas. 91 for 1. And sort of bit of confusion. Goes for the last ball of the over. Comes down the track. Good footwork. And 31 to get into this exposure as well. Short of lane delivery that has been pulled away all the way for maximum. Long way. That's huge. Ball of the 10th over. Good runs already on board. And that's misfield in the deep. That will be 4 runs. Atharva tied 10 overs. 129 for 1. And Ishan Kishan with 64 of 33. A great knock that comes to an end. He goes back to dugout. Tains off through these numbers. And that's great going. That's great hit. All the way for Biggie. He can play some valuable great knocks. I was just talking about this way. Couldn't even get in camera position, I would say. How long is that 6? Oh, this is a good knock, but unfortunately there's been a fielder. Zishan in the right direction. It was straight. It should have gone. Tarwa Taide. Round the stumps again. Oh, that's on the stumps. Almost a full toss. Give himself big room. This wasn't about to happen. And a great knock. A good knock here from the bat of... wants to sweep down. And there you go. There you go. Ball travels all the way for boundary. Oh, coming down the track. Shot. That's huge. That's big. Straight up. Venki comes here to attack. Short of lane delivery. That has been pulled away. And that's in the good gap as well. Couple of balls more to go. And that's a good shot. But indeed, was in a very little trouble to get into this mark, to get in this position. Comes down the track. Use of the foot has been brilliant. That's a long way. But still, of 3 overs. Good shot. Up and high. Fielder under it. Takes a good catch. Harshal Patel here to attack. Low full toss. Slower delivery. The man who's come out and support the side of Sunrisers Hyderabad Orange Army. Full toss. And that has been vanished. That has been set. Oh, great knock. But where has the ball gone? That has gone high up and will be taken here by the new batter, Rahul Chahar. Comes down to middle and that's not... He's going to finish off the game for his team. Oh, that's very much lucky yet another time. That's all the way. This game. Sachin Baby, he's capable of it. But can he do against Harshal Patel? Cheeky, well played. And that is going all the way to the boundary ropes. That should have fielded as well. Felt like that. It was a very pressurized situation. And to end this game this way, what a lovely striking yet another time from such a lovely one. And Sachin Baby loves to play the pull shot right from there. And that is going to be the end of this game as well. Practice match simulation of Sunrisers Hyderabad Inter Squad live from Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium.